I make stroganoff guys. First, olive oil and garlic. Now I put beef guys. Tenderloin beef. Yung ating stroganoff, how to make stroganoff. Put black pepper guys black pepper. Okay. Chicken stock guys stroganoff stroganoff guys Wait. Yan guys ako yung chicken cooking. Guys, I put one white onion white onion. Stroganoff guys yan. Stroganoff beef guys okay na, luto na siya. Tingnan natin bell pepper guys red and green. Tikman natin guys. Titikman ko guys Well. Oh guys, I put mushroom. Yan guys, ready na siya. Konting luto na lang. This is stroganoff beef. I put cream. I put now cream guys cream. Cream na yan mix. Ayan, luto na siya guys. Ito yung ating beef stroganoff. How to making guys Yun yung pito ko yung Aywa, pulo. Mustard guys Ayan, mustard. Wow, ready. Ready na siya. I put a little ketchup guys Ketchup guys Wow, finish. Lang guys, ready na siya. Less sauce and then finish guys You see the texture and color guys This is stroganoff guys I make now. This is new menu. Before but he cancel. Now is come back again. Taste, sabi taste. Yan, taste. Yeah, finish guys Thank you for watching for my stroganoff. Ready. I taste. Wow. Bye bye guys. Thank you for watching my stroganoff.